guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I styled a two-tiered tray and give you some little tips and tricks on how I decide to do that. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my little YouTube fam. And if you want to see how I styled this, then just keep watching. Okay, we're gonna style this two-tiered tray. And I'm just going to share a few tips and tricks with you on how I like to do tiered trays. I just went around my house and found things that I thought might look good on here. I don't have a lot of little things that fit because I don't like to buy little things like knickknacks and stuff. So we're going to make what I have work and hopefully it turns out good. So the first thing I like to do is use my biggest pieces. I like to call them my focal pieces. So in this case, it is this black watering can and this H. And I'm gonna go on the limb and say this too, just because it is really big. It's a little crate full of wooden eggs, and I'm gonna put that on the bottom, and then I'm gonna put this H in front of it, because I think that will look really cute. And then my second thing is greenery. So I have this little milk glass thing I got at Hobby Lobby and a little topiary ball. And I'm going to put this in the back of this corner here because there's no greenery down there yet. We do have some up here. So, and then I'm going to add some. Another tip is to use things that you can layer or stack. And so in this case, I have these bowls that I've stacked on top of a little pedestal just to give height and dimension. This is metal, these are ceramic, and then they also have a texture on them. And then I just threw in some more greenery on the inside the bowl. And then for more texture, I have these paper straws that I thought would look cute, and I have this little milk glass. And to add a little bit more color, I'm gonna put those back here. And then I'm gonna put this sugar little container over here on the bottom. I mean, you really could put it anywhere. You could put it here, or you could put it here, but I want to put these candles that I got from Candid Candles on here so that I can burn them. And I obviously can't burn them on the bottom there. So I have two of them. I have a little baby one, which these are perfect for tiered trays. Even if you didn't want to burn it, you just want it to look at. But I'm going to burn them because they smell delicious. So there you go. Super simple. I don't have too much stuff on there, but I have just enough that you can see everything. And then if you from each side you can see it. I will do a pan so you can see all the different sides. But yeah, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. It's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have filmed it about 7 times because I just didn't know how to do it. But I hope that helped. I shared my little tips with you, and I'd love to see your tiered trays. So if you use my tips and you style a tiered tray, post a picture on Instagram and tag me, and I will repost those. So anyway, if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. And if you like these kind of videos, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, take care.